Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Tarrant County in north-central Texas, southwestern Dallas County in north-central Texas, until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Forest Hill, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fort Worth, Arlington, Grand Prairie, Mansfield, Cedar Hill, Halton City, Forest Hill, Kennedale, Everman, Rendon, Edgecliff Village, Pantego, Cedar Hill State Park, Edgecliff, Dalworthington Gardens, Lake Arlington, Joepul Lake, and Mountain Creek Lake. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35W between mile markers 43 and 48. Interstate 20 between mile markers 436 and 468. Interstate 30 between mile markers 16 and 30. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.